Hey everyone, I'm excited to share with you this new series that we're going to be doing called Painter's Enterprise at Home. You know, since the beginning of this pandemic, we've spent so much time at home. And I think we've gained a better appreciation for what that space really means to us. We want our homes to be a place that we love. In order to do that, they need to be inviting and they need to be inspiring. At Painter's Enterprise, we know that painting isn't just about changing the color of your walls. It's about changing the way you live and changing the way you feel. It's about creating an even better home. So join us weekly for new episodes of Painter's Enterprise at Home. We'll see you then.